crafty friends, welcome back to my channel. This is the preview of my project. So I'm using watercolor paper and then I'm using gel medium. Then I'm using this spray. One is walnut stain, the other one is s- speckled egg, and then I'm using this stamp. So I'm going to list everything in the description box below. Then now I'm going to first use this it's kind of like a deli paper, printed deli paper, and then I'm going to use the gel medium and I'm going to adhere it on the page. Then I'm going to add like a small piece. This is like a nice with the text and everything. So I'm just going to add this. Then I'm going to spray some actually splatter some walnut stains. It's a distress oxide spray. And then I'm going to add this speckled egg. This is like a stain. And then I'm going to use the brush and spread it out. Then I'm going to dry this. Then I'm using this stamp. That is like my first layer. Then I'm using another stamp from that same um, package. I got this from Amazon. Now I'm going to add some more color in this. Then I'm going to spread it out. I'm just going to make it look like little grungy. Then now I'm going to dry this again. And this is the small leftover dye I had it, so I'm going to add this in this project. Then this is like kind of like a checks dye, or you can say as a grid kind of a dye. So if you don't have this dye, you can use a stencil and molding paste. Then you can add that in this project. That is like another option. Then I'm cutting those into small pieces and adding in different areas. Now I'm going to make sure it is all dry. Then I'm going to use this stencil, and it's a thick acrylic paint. Um, so I'm using that in this background. It's not a molding paste, but you can use it if you want as a molding paste. But this is like a thick acrylic paint. I'm going to put that stencil in the water, and then I'm going to make sure this is all dry. Now I'm going to add this focal point. We all have this dye, most of us. So I always think about how to use in different ways. So you might see this a focal point in my other videos, but I like to try in different ways. So now I'm going to use this black Inktense pencil, and I'm going to do the outline. I don't know whether this dye is still available in Stampers Anonymous or Sizzix. So I'm going to add some more in the outline. Now I had this leftover dye from the other project. So I'm going to add this color in this because it matches the background, and little bit of contrast. So I'm going to add this circle dye in this. This looks very nice with this background. If you have any leftover um, dyes or any leftover paper or something like that, with the jelly print colors and things like that, you can add like this and into the project. Now I'm going to scribble a little bit. And then I'm going to add some more in the background. Then along with that, I'm adding this Neo Color 1, the wax pastel crayons. So I'm just getting the color out a little bit more because the circles also have those red color. So I'm just adding little bit of those in the background. So it'll all blend together. You can just use those, and whatever you have, you can just play with it. And then now you can I'm going to do the scribbling. This is like a black acrylic paint, so I'm just scribbling with that. So now I'm going to dry everything. Then I'm going to put the coat and finish the project. So please don't forget to subscribe, click on the like button and leave your comments below. I will see you in my next project. Thanks for watching. Bye.